Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'm making crab curry for my daughter Malina. She loves crab and here I bought some crab and ready to cook. Nice big crab. In my bowl I'm adding 2 teaspoons of curry powder, and this is chief curry powder. Tastes really good. 1 teaspoon of masala. Another half more, so 1.5 teaspoon of masala, 1 teaspoon of jeera, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon sazon powder, that gives it a good color and taste. Mix everything into a paste. Smells good. 2 teaspoons of fresh green seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger. Add some warm water. Mix everything up. Looks good. Crab, I already washed it, nice and clean. Looking nice. Cooking outside, guys. Look at the neighbor flowers, so nice. The tree changing its color. Look at our pepper tree too. Still loaded with peppers. The green onion there. Still a lot of green onions. I added 4 teaspoons of oil in my pan. Added 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Just give it a good flavor. Adding some green onion and red onions. Looking nice. These lovely tomatoes from our garden. Look at these colors, so nice. I'll be using this coconut milk. It's very thick. Adding the masala. Chinese style crab curry. My daughter Marina, she loves it. Adding some thyme and parsley just picked from our garden. Adding potatoes. Adding a potato, a huge potato. Thanks to Malina, she peeled it. Big shout out to Malina. Adding a crab. This is a huge crab. Looks so good, look at that color. So good. Looks yummy already. Crab is cooking down. Drying down the water and then I'll add the coconut milk. Looking nice. Still more water in there. So I'll let this dry down, then I'll add the coconut milk and 1 cup of water. Adding the coconut milk. Adding the water. I added a half more cup, 1.5 cup of water, 1 can of coconut milk so the potato can boil and the crab. And we need it with a little juice. Crab is done. Add in some green onion now. Looks nice with green onion. Nice, give it a nice color. And the potato is all melted. Looks good. Crab curry looks so nice. Anyways guys, crab curry is done. It looks so nice, so yummy. Look at those color. So nice. Melina will enjoy this, and her dad and me. I don't know about Amy. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like how it turns out. Share with your friends if you like it. See you in our next video. Bye.